Espiral un natural. Adrián Paloma Rodríguez, Kelma Alejandra Rojas y Giselle Irena Ladón. Logic and Quantitative Reasoning. What are spirals? Spirals occur tiles, rotations on where central points progressive moonwise and from its day. They are found in mice natural atoms from beams or with two places. Physical or phenomena. For example, spinal chain supporting in follower galaxy. Times of sparrow. Archimedean sparrow grow with our space with H trunk. Example, service for chimpanzees, central panthers, animals, logarithm, space, group, genealogy, mentality, is shaped on very scale. Example, use chip oil in sunwise galaxy.
Spirals in living beings. What is if? Phyllotaxis. The leaves and branches of plants follow a spiral pattern to amazing succulents. Fibonacci sequence. Many natural patterns follow this mathematical serial. For example, distribution of leaves on a stem, sunflower stems, arrangement of petals in flowers. Spirals in natural phenomena. Hurricanes and whirlpools. Takes form due to physical force and the Earth's rotation. Spiral galaxies. The Milky Way and many other galaxies follow a logarithmic spiral pattern. DNA. The double helix structure of DNA also follows a spiral pattern.
Curiosities about spirals. The logarithm spiral is called the spiral mirrors wonderful spirals because of the presence in natural. Spirals have been used in arches, shoes, and in Solomon columns and the word etcher. In ancient cultures, spirals symbol infinite growth and evolution. Conclusion. Spirals are present and multiply scales in nature from the microscopic to the cosmic. They are proofs of the math and natural and courage.